Yippee! Lesson 5. Yes, you're doing a great job. Very good job. You have to read carefully because this is not a straight addition, neither is it a straight subtraction. How many people are... That's what we're interested in. So we'll take one sentence at a time. There are 44 people on the school bus. Try to also imagine that, right? Imagine you have 44 people. We're interested in the people, not the school bus, so to say. So there are 44 people on the school bus. At the first stop, this bus moves forward and then it stops. 16 more people got on the bus. 16 more. What's that? We have 16 more people, okay, on this bus. What does that tell us? That we have now 44 plus 16 people on the bus, and that gives us what? This is 60. We have 60 people now on the bus at the first stop. That's what we get from this first sentence. Now it goes further to tell us that 9 people, 9, this is an information, let me use another color that is important to us. 9 people got off the bus. Got off. When they get off the bus, are they still on the bus? No. So we have 9 got off. How many people are on the train now? So what do we do? If they got off, are we going to be adding them to the number? No. So we now have 60 minus 9 that has gone off to give us 51 people on the bus. So you see how I'm reading these one after the other. And like I said at the very first lesson, that word problem just always tests your knowledge of something. It will always be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But sometimes we want to test your knowledge of maybe money, maybe time, maybe fractions, and we'll get to that pretty soon. Okay, so let's see another example. What is this expecting us to do? How many points has she earned altogether? So I want to know how many points. I'm interested in the points that she has earned altogether. Okay, so let's see the information that can help me to get this answer. Dora earned 92 points in a game. That means she's playing a game and then she has earned 92 points. So she's starting with 92 points in a game. Let's see. The second time she played it, she lost 40 points. So she loses 40 points lost. Now, this is what tells you what has happened. Lost. She lost 40 points. So at this point, how many points does she have? 92 minus 40, which means that at the second play, she has 52 points, right, altogether. But we still have more information. We have only stopped here. So this says, then she earned 28 points. Woo! That means she played again. And then now she earns 28 points. How many points has she earned altogether? So now we have more. Is that not so? She has 28 points. You see why I say that it's always good that you read it one after the other? 28 points, so that you understand what is going on. It's a story. Enjoy it. So now she has 28 points more. That means now that we have 52 plus 28, which gives us what? 80 points all together. At the end of all a game, she has 80 points, right? Because she got 92 here, she earned 28 here, but she has lost 40 at the point, right? So, let's see another one. Okay, so now let's see what this question wants us to do. How many people were there to watch the movie? how many people were there to watch the movie. So that means some people went to some place to watch a movie. So we want to know how many people were there to watch the movie. Okay, so let's see. What will help us solve this problem? There were 94 people at the cinema. Good. 94 people were at the cinema. Now, 34 more people came to watch the movie. Good. We started with 94 people. Now we have 34 more. So we have 34 more people, which means that at the end of this sentence, we have 94 plus 34 people. Okay? Which gives us 128 people were there by the end of this last sentence, second one. But let's see if we still have any information. 16 people left early. So 16 left early. Right? Left early, which means at the end of the cinema, how many people do we have at the end? By the time the movie was rounding up, we have 128 minus 16, which should give us 112. So we have 112 people. Now, but let's be careful with our questions to be sure that we are answering what exactly we are asked. This question says, how many people were there at the movie? I'm going to leave you to think about this, right? How many people were there to watch the movie? We started with 94 people. Right? 34 more people joined them, but still left early. How many people were there to watch the movie? That's your number one quiz for today, right? So tell me what it is, and then we'll have the discussion tomorrow. Bye-bye.